Hello, today I like to explain something regarding the SIKA P700T. So you see in front of us I have a lever pump and here in manifold we have the pressure adjustment, and on this side, on the back side, you can see here the pressure release valve and the connection port for the device under test, or even for the reference. And here you can connect the device under test. Quick coupling can be connected. A hose can be connected on a quick coupling. And so this is the setup. At least we have here, we can fill in the calibration liquid. In this type, we have an silicon oil, hydraulic oil, and to open it, we can unscrew this, yeah, and then we can fill in our liquid. So I start assembling the parts, and let's say this is our reference gauge, and that means I assemble the reference gauge to this port. By doing this, I use such an adapter, yeah, and screw in an adapter. Don't forget the seal. Okay, there's a tool. I close this. Okay, and on the adapter, I screw the reference gauge. Again, don't forget the seal. On. Okay, and fix it. Can rotate to the top that I have a view on the instrument. So that means my reference gauge is installed here. And this is the port this is the port for the device under test. I assemble a hose. I can assemble the hose this direction, close and fixed. On the other side, I have this connection port, and that means I need a special adapter suitable for this side. This is this adapter, a mini mesh adapter. I connect this here, also sealed, hand tighten, and then I need my device under test. In this case, this is my device under test. I connect my device under test to this port. Move a little bit, hold, and tighten with the wrench. Okay, so that means I have now assembled my reference gauge and also my device under test via the hose, and I filled in the liquid. This can stay open. I close now the pressure release valve. I close the pressure release valve to close, and then I start pumping. Switch on my devices. A little bit in this direction. So, and I start generating pressure. You can see the pressure rises by pumping. And so in this case, I have 60 bar. And then I can use the fine adjust to increase or decrease the pressure. And after this, I can generate another pressure point. Very easy at least. So, and then I screw in again, make a fine adjust of the pressure value with the operating button, with these fine adjust valve. If I'm finished and everything is done, then I release the pressure with this operating button. I release the pressure, the oil is going back here into the pump reservoir, and that's all.